I just mostly get my kids pictures and grown up. You know, it goes back 10 years, so they were 5.
There's another dog and another dog. Hey, Buddy Hendricks, how you doing, buddy? Welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. Seattle. Hey, Ron, you're up in Seattle right now. Eric Cook, how you doing? All right, Memorial Day weekend here in the States. Nilo. Hey, Nilo, I got a 57 Olds for you, buddy. Hang on. We're going to head right to it. Eddie, New York City, how you doing? Dave Stanley, how are you doing? Hey, Tammy Joe, haven't seen you in a while. Welcome back to Street Rodder's live feed. Brazil, hey, just got the tag in, missed your name. Dottie, Adelaide, Australia. Dano, good morning. Randy Ross, hey, Randy, how you doing, man? Shane, Richard, how you doing? Becky, good morning. Plainwell, Michigan, going to be hot. Okay, Wayne Benson. Hey, Wayne. Bono Soto. Tunala, Jalisco. Rob Remiak from Badgerville, Saskatchewan. Okay. Kevin, good morning. Down Tennessee. Okay, Nilo, hang on, buddy. Here's a 57 Olds that we haven't seen before. Bobby Wilson, good morning. Robin and Ken, good morning. Hey, Ken Stasiak, Pennsylvania. How you doing, man? Okay. Illinois, Donnie. Steven, Mobile, Alabama. Rio, Wisconsin. Hey, Tanya, how you doing? Need to see some Irv. Okay, we got Corvette Row, Irv. Just hang tight, buddy. We'll get over there. And this morning I shot a still gallery, and I shot some more. And I'm going to do a little story, and I'll post it at streetrodder.com. That'll be under hotrod.com's Omega site. You can go right to streetrodder.com. South Dakota, hey, Justin and Logan. Oh. Yeah, okay, there you go. Justin and Logan. And Sweden, Mats. Okay. Roadrunners, yeah, I'll turn it around. Here we go. Ignore that thing there. We're on Mopar Row. Roberto in Italy, welcome to Street Rodder's live feed. People, London, Kentucky. How you doing, Kenny? Okay. Idaho, Brad Palmer. Welcome to Street Rodder's live feed. And like I said, there's always more coverage at hotrod.com, superchevy.com, and, of course, streetrodder.com. We have a Ford site, but I can never remember what it is. I think it's Mustang 360. Winnipeg, Manitoba. How you doing? Alfred. Good weather here because cars. That's right. Hermosillo, Sonora. How you doing? Bernardo Ruiz. Any Porsche 914. Randy, the Porsche 914 we see here on a regular basis has a Chevrolet V8 in it. And there's another Porsche 911 that shows up with an LS engine. We also get stock ones here. Gallup, New Mexico. Hey, Charles. Nilo, the 57 for sale? No, it's just there. Missouri, Derek, how you doing? John in Canada, John Cameron, how you doing? Happy Memorial Day weekend. Austin, Texas. Hey, Sonny, same to you, man. David Brown, Sonny, Oklahoma. All right. Camaro first gen. Oh yeah, lots. Alejandro Garcia, Novas. Oh yeah, we got a lot. There's a lot. The 64 Impala Super Sport, fender skirts. Argentina, hey, Pablo, how you doing? Okay, and like I said, I've shot a little bit of a still gallery. I'll shoot some more photos and I'll post it. It'll be an article that'll go up at streetrodder.com. Probably won't see it until Wednesday or Thursday, because Tuesday I'll be back on the road driving out to Hot Rods by Dean in Phoenix, Arizona. We've got the wrap up on the 1932 Ford pickup, Street Rodder's Road Tour truck, United Pacific body, Roadster shop chassis, Ford performance engine. It's a Boss 302, 347 cubic inch displacement with 360 horsepower. Nova Scotia. Hey, Lewis, how you doing? Murfreesboro. Patrick, how you doing? GT 350s. Yep, Richard, we got some. We got everything today, Richard. There's everything. The only thing is, the sun's coming out a little strong, so it's going to be hard to read the screen. So if I missed your questions or comments, it's because I'm looking right into the sun, into a screen that's reflected. Looks like somebody chrome-plated their head and stood in front of the sun.
That's like Christine Day.
Newton, Kansas. Happy Memorial Day, Gene. All right. Mexico, Alfredo. Hey, Ronnie Hogan. Ronnie, we got a proverbial crapper full of fat-fendered Fords today. Hey, Pat, up in Edmonton, Alberta. How you doing? Welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. Kingsport, Tennessee. Hey, Paul. Ian, Romania. I own, baby. I screwed up pronouncing your name, but I did see Romania, and welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. There'll be more coverage, still photography at streetrodder.com. It'll be next week. Our web people aren't around until Tuesday, and I'll be driving most of the day Tuesday, and then I'll be in Phoenix at Hot Rods by Dean. Ransomville, New York. 69 darts. Maybe. Jim, Traverse City, Michigan. How you doing? James, El Paso, Texas. Okay. Trav, this show is the donut shop. I've been coming here since 1984. This is every Saturday, rain or shine. Donut Derelicts. That's okay, Prague. Jack Hamill, Prague. How you doing? Tammy, yeah, that plus size shadow, that's mine. There's a dog. Durban, Liz Wheeler. How you doing, Liz? Okay, Callaway Corvette, C6 Callaway Corvette. Mitch, yeah, this is every Saturday. It's at the corner of Magnolia and Adams in Huntington Beach, California. And if I'm not on the road, which we're going to be doing a lot of coverage cross-country at Street Rodder, including in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, we've got the Shades of the Past, but Street Rodder's Triple Crown of Rodding's held there. We stay at Dolly Parton's Dreammore. Can't wait to get to eat the catfish at the buffet. Shout out to Brazil. Lucas, how you doing? Okay, looking at a black 1960 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Rod Run September. Paul, I forget the month that Shades of the Past is, but that's when Street Rodder goes in force to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee for the Shades of the Past show. And that's where Street Rodder Magazine's Triple Crown of Rodding takes place. Bill Wilson, how you doing? Warren York, quite welcome, thank you. Trav, yeah, great turnout. Great turnout. Barbara Myers, Rutherford, good morning. Happy Memorial Day back. Tammy Joe, yeah, the catfish at Dolly's is just Dreammore, just best I've ever had. Not that I've eaten that much catfish, but it was pretty darn good. Oldsmobiles, Cutlass or 442s. Michael, yeah. Right now we're in Corvette Row. Tone, Casablanca City, Brazil. How you doing, Tone? Cutlass there, yeah. Yeah, and there's a bunch of cars, and there's some more pulling in, some pulling out. Jose, Amarillo, Texas. Amarillo, Amarillo, either way you want to say it, still Texas. This summer, anything in North Carolina. Joseph, nothing in North Carolina that I know, but it's not unheard of for me to get last second assignments. I know the shows that we're going for sure. In fact, the next show I'll be at on the road will be St. Paul, Minnesota, back to the 50s. I'm leaving with Vintage Air's road tour leg out of San Antonio, Texas. That'll be June 16th, and then we're headed to back to the 50s, St. Paul, Minnesota. Kuwait, Sahib, how you doing? Okay. Johnny Meyer, love this place. Yeah, I agree. There's a dog it's been chopped and channeled, lowered to the ground. They've lowered the dog's center of gravity, so when it pees, it doesn't splatter. Okay, Missy 59. We're in San Antonio. Richard at Vintage Air Conditioning. I'll be there at Vintage Air's on June 16th. We're all getting ready. We're going to drive from San Antonio, Texas, up to back to the 50s in St. Paul, and then we'll be at back to the 50s the entire time, doing coverage for Street Rodder, Super Chevy, Vet. Sean Brock, good morning.
Beyond that, it's like the Holy Grail car.
Wasn't when they first came out.
We wind up selling a whole bunch of parts. Now we're going to buy a motor.
Hey Scott, how you doing?
You have to go through an auction. You were lucky you didn't get hit with a 10 in and 10 out. I know. Now you got a really cool.
Okay, 63 Corvette split window, 360 horse, fuel injected 327, power steering available on the 250 horse and the 300 horse, not the 340 horse or the 360 horse. Antonio, Long Beach, Weyburn, Saskatchewan. Scott, how you doing? Puerto Rico, Hector, how you doing? Elaine, how you doing? How you doing? Hey, Paul, how are you doing, man? Happy Memorial Day
too. Good
weekend.
to see you.
Yeah, good seeing you. Nilo. We can Sweden have a lot of. I can't make. Hey, Karen. Speaking of Sweden, Karen's in Sweden. How you doing? Karen, I haven't forgotten my abstract art. I'm actually working on a painting now. Mid-70s El Camino. Scott, I'll take a look. Fred, not ignoring you, man. It's like I said, there's a crapper full of sun glare on the screen, and I can only read people's comments and names sporadically. That's a big word. It means sporadically. San Antonio, Texas. Xavier, how you doing? Hey, John, Baytown, Texas. How you doing, man? Okay, heading towards a small window Chevy C10 that's laid out. Got all kinds of negative camber up front. Yeah, Karen, I still intend to show a bunch of my paintings. One of these times I'll just do a live feed right where I've got most of that stuff. Art, I guess, should say. Okay, somebody asked about a Nova. Here you go. Gabriel, Mexico, how you doing? Okay, 1959 Corvette, tuxedo black, Inca silver coves, 283 Power Glide. Columbia, Julian, how you doing? Hey, Gabe, Bakersfield, California, how you doing? Okay, looking at a Raven Black 1956 Ford, big window. Had one just like it, now it's in Australia. My buddy Gary's tearing into it, putting the Kugel front in, and a bunch of good stuff. Fred, Balboa tomorrow, absolutely. And talked to Mike Brewer yesterday, and he said if he gets over the jet lag that he'll be at Balboa tomorrow too. So we'll see. He's been doing a lot of traveling too. We had that big Motor Trend launch in Italy that Mike was at. Okay, here we go. GTO. There's the dog. And looks like he's backing in down there. Phoenix, Arizona. Miguel, how you doing? Thank you, Karen. Well, the art's so much fun to do that it's the abstract painting. I enjoy doing that more than writing or photography. That's my commercial art. The abstract is my fine art, I guess you might say. Spain too. Oh yeah, Becky. Okay. Ray, Yucca Valley. How you doing? Carlos. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day. I should have started a little earlier because the glare, like I said, I can't really see the screen. Looks kind of dead. Tampa, Florida. Sherry, how you doing? Croatia, Nevin, Kovac is Zico. Nevin, Croatia. At least you know I got the first part right where you're at. And of course I screwed up the name because that's what I'm good at. Heat wave in Sweden. All right, heat wave in Sweden. Actually, I left Phoenix, Arizona. Oh shoot, I forget. Last week I left Phoenix. It was about 95 degrees. Got to California. It was drizzling and cold. In fact, there's a cool breeze right now. Toward Torino. Santa Barbara. Hey Tia, how you doing? There's one of those giant weeds. I don't know why people plant those. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. John, how you doing? Okay. Ed just fired this thing up. Well, check this out. This is a Boss 429. Here you go. Ed, how you doing, man? You too, man. We'll see you later. Pamela, good morning. Good morning, California time. Watching from Canton, Canada. Okay. Canton, Illinois. Lewis, okay. Frankenmuth, Michigan. George, I know Frankenmuth, Michigan. That's where the cheese comes from. We used to have my family had a cabin up at Sage Lake, which is not UP, but it's up north. It's up north when you live in Davison or Flint or Stockbridge, Chelsea, Lansing, Ann Arbor, Romulus. 41 Chevys, Nilo. Yeah, we should find one. Chris Sherry Keller, Canton. Okay, I just caught that. Watch your Cookshire, Quebec, Mario. Okay. There's the donut shop right there. Want a Long John smeared with chocolate frosting, bacon on top, and the bacon buttered, that's where you go. Peanut butter's optional. Zacatecas, Mexico. Raimundo, okay. Argentina, La Moracha. Hey, how you doing? De Ramos, how you doing? Shoebox Forge, Fred, I'll look. I'm sure. It's busy. It's a busy weekend. Lots of people. Studi, the truck is Studi. Yeah, pickup. That's Bruce's Studebaker. He's got a 360 Mopar engine in it. 360 Chrysler or Plymouth, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, Ken, that's right. Ken, I'm standing right about where you walked up when we met. Right here in front of the donut shop. Ken Stasiak was here. Oh, a couple of months ago. Okay, it's a 409 in this Chevy. Where is this place? Huntington Beach, California, corner of Magnolia and Adams. This live feed, we're live right now, and this will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. And I'm shooting still photography for a story that'll go up later next week on Street Rodders. Well, streetrodder.com, our website. Venezuelan guy just caught the tag in. Hudson's, okay. I don't know. We might. You never know. Everybody's welcome here, so. There's the dog. Guatemala. Okay. Alexander, Guatemala. Okay, there you go. There's old Dodge. Looks just like a Fargo. Joseph, maybe 500 cars. I've never counted the cars. I hate counting. Mark, Ontario, how you doing? Grand Nationals, yeah, there's always that chance. Mark Coons, Manitoula, Illinois, how you doing? Mark Lee, yeah, Impalas, we showed some. Looking at a 1941 Ford Convert. Hood's louvered, that's to let the stink out in case the oil's leaking off the heads. Lisbon, Portugal. Arthur, how you doing? Fred, Cougars without wheels? Yeah, there should be. We'll keep looking. There's a Austin Healey over there. And that 57 Chevy, 4-door Bel Air, 4-door sedan, fender skirts. That'd be the first thing I'd take off. Okay, let's go take a look at this little Austin Healey. Okay, 3000 Mark II Austin Healey. Falcons, yeah, there's Falcons. Brad Silver, Nova Scotia. The sun is actually going away a little bit, which makes it easier to see the screen. Eddie in Covina, how you doing? Paul Higgins, how you doing, Paul? Jim up Victorville. Getting ready for Carlisle All-Ford Nationals. All right, Rusty. I'll be at Carlisle, Pennsylvania for Corvettes at Carlisle. And then we're going to wander over to Macungie. From Corvettes at Carlisle, we're going over to the Macungie show. 71 Roadrunners. Good morning, Ken Baker. Favorite's a 57 Chevy. Sherry. Yeah, mine too. My first car was a 57 Chevy Bel Air.
I know, right? Yeah.
Carlos. Brianna, I remember Brianna, but that's not your daughter's name. Is that your wife's name, Carlos? I'm going to have to cheat and ask you to spell it out, man. Yeah, Fred, that'll be fun. That'll be good. Okay. Carlos, the bikes are up at the front towards the, right in front of the donut shops where we used to park the bikes. Well, they still do. It's where I used to park my bike. Rapid Rust, what am I grilling? I don't know, I might fry the clutch in my pickup. Oslo, Norway. Glenn, how you doing? The old Ford truck. Joseph? The 32 Ford, okay. Street Rodders Road Tour truck. I'm headed back to Phoenix this coming Tuesday. I'll be back at Hot Rods by Dean, and we're working the finishing touches on the United Pacific bodied on a Roadster Shop chassis Road Tour truck. All right. Sherry, all right. Rick, yeah. Minnesota, back to the 50 state. Brazil, Juliano, Albuquerque. Good morning. Lee, you got a 57 Chevrolet. All right. I hope I have another 57 Chevy before I check out, like I almost did last June 15th. Robin Ken, no, I haven't worked on my 32. All I've done is piled stuff up on top of it. Okay, there goes that 65 El Camino. 70s Novus. We're looking. John Sharp, yeah, happy Memorial Day. Paint the cab. Ronnie, yeah, they painted the cab on, how you doing? They painted the cab on the Road Tour truck.
Yeah, so I see you taking pictures all the time here.
Where are they?
This is a live feed on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. You ever seen Street Rodder Magazine?
Well, I have tons of them.
Oh, okay. Well,
I'm not on their Facebook.
yeah, this is a brand extension of the magazine.
Okay.
Yeah, and streetrodder.com, that's the website where a lot of the stuff goes up.
Okay.
Yeah. Edgar Oros. I don't read Spanish real good. I can order food or say enough to get slapped. That's about it. Raphael Kaiserman. Nah, I don't know if it's a Manhattan. We can walk back.
Finally, the sun. Well, the sun's going down. Or kind of, well.
Sherry. Yeah. Funny. Well, I do this just from an iPhone with a Moment wide angle lens. It's not real. It's not a real big time looking setup. Cody, thanks. Hey, Brett Lodi, how you doing, Brett? Michael, Old Challengers. Yeah, we walked past Mopar Row about 10 or 15 minutes ago. If I don't get back up there, this will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. And today I've got my still camera. I'm shooting a photo gallery, and next week, maybe by Wednesday, streetrodder.com, I'll put that story up. Hey, Ronnie, here you go.
How you doing?
How you doing, Roger?
Good.
All right. Carlos, a Chevelle, 1964 Chevelle Convert. Terry, hey. My sister-in-law, Terry, how you doing? 1974 Chevy C10 square body. They're a little rounder than square sounds. Sunny UK, hey Paul. Elaine, this is a Moment lens. I started out with an Olo clip, but I prefer the Moment lens. Dearborn, Michigan, hey John. We're on the tag. Okay. Guys have been asking about Novas. We got a 73 Chevy Nova here. We're going to go over and see Phil. Phil has got a Nova for sale. We'll go check that out. Okay, got a Corvette fiberglass Stinger replica hood. Yeah, it's different. Plymouth Dusters. Sean, yeah, I might have spotted. I had a black 70 340 Duster. It ended up in Michigan. Mosport Green 66 Corvette Stingray. David Watley, hi. Tom Morrell, Cougar, I missed it. DVDs out. Full length. Brad, no DVDs. Brad, I'm just a tech editor for Super Chevy Network, which is Vet, Chevy High, Super Chevy Magazine. And then I'm also a tech editor on the Street Rod group that's Classic Trucks and Street Rodder Magazine. So I'm just on staff. Senior Cruisers Corona, how you doing? Carlos, Oldsmobiles, yeah. Tammy Joe, you're quite welcome. 1967 Chevy, small window, the cab. Harry Bradley designed this. Harry designed that small window with having the filling of a coupe inside. Gilberto Alvarez, 72 Chevy C10. Okay. What is that, a 56 Pontiac? Tom Morrell, good morning. Lasha T. Lasha, glad to see you. Edward, 70 Torinos. No, I haven't spotted any. I think, shoot, it looks like Phil left. Okay, this 64 Chevelle Chris Camo's car. This car, I shot a feature on this car down Balboa. And this is now, it's on the newsstand now, the new issue of Chevelle magazine. Oldsmobile Starjets, maybe. 69 Chevelle Super Sport. We'll look. 1964 Chevelle two-door wagon. Okay, there goes a 57 Chevy Cameo Carrier pulling out. Dale, Grand Rapids, Michigan. Okay. Jill. Winnipeg, how you doing? Winnipeg, Manitoba. We blasted through Winnipeg and stayed in, not Portage La Prairie. Yeah, we stayed Portage La Prairie. That's where we stayed. There's the Kaiser. Okay, here goes a little 5-window Deuce flying by. Okay. Hey, John Gilbert, Manchester, Tennessee. How you doing, buddy?
But it is quite the vintage vehicle. Yeah, it is.
Be at Syracuse July 25th. No, I will not be at Syracuse Nationals, but Jerry Dixie will be there driving Street Rodders Road Tour truck. That's the 32 Ford pickup we're working at. Gah. Gah. Saturday morning, Sean, I'm in Oklahoma City. Sam, you're quite welcome. Hey, Louise, you're with us? Glad. I'm glad that you are. Okay, here we go. Big old Condor motorhome. Okay. They studied how a brick flows through the air and then replicated it on a massive scale. Washington, New Hampshire. How you doing? Raphael, you're quite welcome. We'll take. I can walk back towards that Kaiser. It's the only one here. 60 Chevy Impala out there in the background. Short bed Fords. Dent side. Kleber, Sao Paulo, Brazil. How you doing? Great, Louise. Okay. Hi.
How are you?
Good. Hey, don't look down, but somebody left the hinges on the outside of your trunk.
What were they thinking?
I don't know. Well, they're in front of Crown Ace Hardware. They probably got those hinges from the hardware store. All right. Oh, I can just hear the Kaiser guys being all pissed off at me now. Sorry, guys. It just seemed to flow out, you know. Donald, West Palm Beach, Florida. How you doing, Donald? Okay, starting to clear out. We're going to head back towards the Condor motorhome as soon as we get through the human traffic. Upstate New York. Hey, Rory. Okay, Cape Coral, Florida. 55, 57 Nomads. Yeah. Somewhere. Okay. Okay, somebody asked about a Duster. There's a $6,000 for one on a trailer. It does not include trailer or a engine rebuild kit. Tucson, Arizona. Hey, Max. Sunny in Massachusetts, Carlos says. Oh no, take the bike or the car. Well, do both. Do both, man. Take the bike out for a ride and then turn around and head back and get the car out. Covington, Tennessee. Sarah Cook, how you doing? Keith Mitchell, how you doing? Roy's Place, Dion Marlowe. Yeah, Apple Valley. One time years ago, Thanksgiving Day, I was in my Jensen Healy convert with a friend driving around, and he says, hey, Roy Rogers' house is over there. We'll swing by. And Roy and Dale were out front with some guests. They were waving them off. That was a trip. Mount Vernon, Illinois, Jeremy. Louise, is what for sale? The motorhome? I don't think so. 1956 Chevy Bel Air, two-door hardtop. There's a Ford pickup, 68 Ford for sale, 9,500. Must have a ton of gold in the bed. Okay, Brad, check it out. Whidbey Island, Washington. Ed, how you doing? Brett, okay, the 911 SC Convert, hell, it looks like it pulled out, or is it on the other side of this Duster? Oh, there it is, on the other side of the Duster. Sean King, you're quite welcome. Abilene, Texas, saying hi. Funny, Abilene, Texas just said hi, and I just noticed it's a 911 SE Texas plates.
Not only a 4A t-shirt, but an Aggie shorts.
Yeah, $6,000 for the Duster. 714-865-4848. Duster Twister. Like a titty twister? The Falcon. Okay, John, we're at the Falcon. Yeah, $6,000 for the Duster, and I just said the phone number.
Yeah, so you could just go Friday. So right, you stay Friday and Saturday because the show.
Okay, Mopar Row is
5 o'clock,
leaving.
everybody pulls out of the building.
So it's
driving out.
Somebody said smog check. These guys are bailing out like when the green bus pulls up. Cape Coral, Florida. Enrique Pagan, how you doing? Des Moines, Iowa. Kirk Yap. 5.7 Hemi would be nice. '66 Chevelle behind this Bug. Volkswagen Bug's rightful place in society was to hold up traffic. Glenn, Holly, Pennsylvania. Hey, Glenn. What's that green wagon? Brett. Oh no, there's a 70 Chevelle right now. I forget that avocado green metallic name for it. Okay. Carlos, Monterey, how you doing? Sierra Cook, hello. Behind me, Brett. Okay. 55 Pontiac Safari. All right, John, you're quite welcome. Ron, yeah, 55 Coupe, not bad. Fire truck. Rayo McQueen, Rayo. Gordita, let's see, morning, Mexico. Okay, James, Albuquerque. Tim, Mississippi. Hey, Tim, how you doing? Okay. Yeah, the Goodwill store. It's funny. My buddy Rick Goodwill showed up from Manchester, England, and he forgot to get a picture of himself standing in front of the Goodwill store, which would have made a hell of a story to lie to his friends about. Yeah, it's my store. I got a couple of those there in California and around the States. Here goes that 63 split window. Dogs. Galveston, Texas. Zoran, how you doing? Model A Fords. Tim, yeah, we walked past a bunch of Model A's, and always got hot rods. That's how this all started. We around 1984 started showing up. Okay, 26 or 27. There's no way to tell them apart when the body's plucked off like this. 26, the headlights hung by themselves on the fenders, and then they got a crossbar in 27. Keep the headlights from falling off. Zacatecas, Mexico. Eduardo. Okay. '71 Mopar. Well, there's a little bit of a time lag, so by the time somebody asks a question, because I keep walking. Ronnie, Cali, you're okay. Don't worry about it. Yeah. El Paso, Texas. Joe Hernandez in El Paso. How you doing? Adolfo, Tijuana, Mexico. If you're going to Tijuana, try the barbecued iguana. Turkey, Zyla Canbot. Okay, I know I screwed that up. I see you're in Turkey, and welcome to Street Rodder Magazine's live feed. Johnny, red Cuda, got a red Mustang. Green wagon. Crap, what green wagon? Oh, that's a Plymouth over there. 2-door Plymouth wagon. Okay. We've shown that a couple, 2, 3 times. This will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page, and you can play it back from the start because we've been going for a while now. Bug row. Yeah, Ron. We got a bug row and a Corvette row, and a Morgan row only has one Morgan today. Saskatchewan. Doug, how you doing? Regina, Saskatchewan. Okay. Brett, you're welcome. Okay, little kind of a blister on the side of the hood like a Chris Lawrence Morgan SS, the ones that Chris did to homologate so they could run at Le Mans. Tacos, Adolfo. Yeah, great tacos. And also, probably a lot of people don't know this. Maybe they do. Was it 1921 or 1923? Caesar salad was invented in Tijuana, Mexico. And oddly enough, the guy's first name was Caesar. Okay. Okay. Adrian, yeah, this is Donut Derelicts. Starting to clear out. Sun's kind of gone away too. Bruno Ramirez in Mexico. Good to see you're with us. Okay, 912 Porsche, slab-sided 4-banger. Next to a step-side Jimmy. Okay. Eddie, you're quite welcome. Yeah, Google, it was at a Mexican restaurant, Tijuana, Mexico, and Caesar, damn, I can't remember his last name, man, invented the Caesar salad, and it's got, you know, a real Caesar salad has anchovies on it. There's anchovies in Caesar dressing, so if you're allergic to fish, don't have the real stuff, because it'll make you choke up and have to get an EpiPen. 46 Barry, well, we're way past now. Ford Galaxies, Kleber Ford Galaxies. Ronnie's got his Donut Derelicts decals. Those were the first decals that Rick Finn did back in '84. And he said, yeah, we're calling ourselves Donut Derelicts. And Rick made up some decals. Yeah. Tim, let's see, or Brett, Toyota. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that's a really clean location. And what you could do is put a Mexican blanket over that to cover it up if you started like running too cool. Oh, sorry about that. I'm in your setup.
Yeah, the shiny one.
The unique mounting of the oil cooler.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Got 3 shiny ones. So fun fact: the 22R, and the small block Ford use the same oil filter thread, and so I'm actually using a Ford oil filter. Sandwich.
Ford, like what's that? PH1, the big Ford oil filter, or the later, the big one.
It's the same oil filter. So I'm still running the factory Toyota oil filter on there, but the oil filter sandwich, I just use one, and the most expensive part of that whole thing was line.
Okay.
It's leaking already, so but it's what it is.
Yeah.
And Freiburger approves of it, so you know.
Yeah, well, Freiburger will prove anything comes out of a junkyard and don't cost more than $50.
That's true.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Las Vegas, Nevada. Just caught the tag end of that. Okay, and again, this will archive Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page, streetrodder.com, under the mega site, hotrod.com. 59 Chevy. How you doing?
Going.
Good, man.
Finally gonna make it on the broadcast, huh?
Yeah, you have a few times.
Yeah, I think a couple.
Yeah, a few times. Look at a 1959 Chevy, big window. 59 Chevy Apache, big window pickup. Step side. Added the V8 emblem on the side of the fender. It's a V8 emblem here. A 6-cylinder would not have this V. A 6-cylinder was a 235 cubic inch Stowbolt 6 was the base engine, and then 283 was the V8. What's this got in it now?
327.
A 327. There you go.
Got a little extra pop in there now.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Let's head over. You hear that Camaro off in the distance. 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 Sunliner. Got a 1961 Ford two-door hardtop coming this way. We'll watch it drive by. American bags. Becky Doll, you have a great weekend too. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Okay. Roy, this is in Huntington Beach, California. Okay, got a Chevelle Convert on its way to the muffler shop. He followed a Dave Freiberger tech tip where you take 2 hose clamps in a Budweiser can and wrap them around your muffler, and it works great until you rev the engine up. Eddie Rivers, 61, 63. Yvonne, 39 Oldsmobiles. No, have not seen a 1939 Oldsmobile. There's that little Ford Falcon getting ready to leave. Okay. Sun is trying to burn through again a little bit. Okay, there goes that noisy ass Chevelle. The cutouts. Bright orange ain't enough, it's got to be loud too. Goes Harold's 57 GMC, followed by that 59 Chevy Apache, 1967 Chevy C10. Yeah, it's a great sound for a soundtrack. I love it. Let's see you later, Sonny. Okay, Sonny Goulet, Hollywood stunt driver.
First week of November.
Okay, there's the dog walker lady. Okay, looks like time to go. Depends on your vet. Eddie, Sonny Goulet is not related to Robert Goulet. But he probably got extra work in Hollywood because of it, I imagine. Maybe, I don't know. Benoit, Jacob. Nice rat Chevy. Let's see which one, because there's a little time lapse. Okay, there's Gene backing out. Karen, you're a dog walker? All right. I love dogs. All right. Okay. Okay, sun's coming out. Hey, there's an awful Romeo. Okay, I smell clutch and rubber. We missed that. Okay, don't let Brewer see this. He'll buy the damn thing. Okay, there's somebody left in a fog of burning rubber.
Ass.
Dano, how you doing? Yeah. Show us 4748 Cadillac Terry. Oh, the limousine, that limo. It's way on the other side now. Looking at a 1956 Ford Courier. Yeah, hell, let's go take a look at the bikes. Going to be back on later today. Tammy Joe, I don't know if we'll be live again today or not. Really not sure. Okay. Allstate scooter. Moto Guzzi. V-twin stuffed in there sideways. Okay, sun's coming out. Holy crap. Look at that. That's not fog. Well, it's a fog of burning rubber. Some moronic idiot left. Although I have to admit, my younger day, I probably wouldn't have understood. Okay. Hey, Clyde, out in Corona. How you doing, man? There's a dog. Mississippi. Hey, Gene. Ends at 7:30 a.m. No. Bob, the donut shop, we used to get here at 6 a.m., but then it started getting harder to park here as more and more people came. So now 5 a.m., and then we leave. The unwritten rule is to leave by 9 a.m. because there's other businesses here, and we never wanted to disrupt the business, the other businesses and the squares that had to show up and buy stuff. David Ross, good morning. Michael Hill. Hampton, Virginia. Hey, Michael. 82 money on bikes. Goldwing. Oh, okay. Okay, Eduardo. Cool. Yeah, I like any kind of motorcycle. I started with a Harley Davidson when I was 15, and that's what I still got. I like all those bikes. I've had BSAs and Triumphs and Emmy in the show. Okay. Watching from Boston. Bob, you're quite welcome. Okay, here we go. This will archive on Street Rodder Magazine's Facebook page. StreetRodder.com, that's the website. Street Rodder Magazine on sale at the newsstand somewhere. Go to Oldsmobile. No, Gran Turismo Abogado. That's GTO. They stole it from Ferrari. 250 GTO Berlinetta Coupe. Baby. Okay. Sydney Cox, Ecuador. All right, Ecuador. How you doing? Got quite a few Ford Broncos here today. Edson, I'm doing good. Edson Satori. Okay. Phoenix, Michael Leon. Okay. Okay, I hear a hog with straight pipes in the background. Sun's coming out strong. Can't see the screen again. Okay. 64 Impala. Okay, little Model A coupe. About a 4-inch chop. Any Mercuries? Brian, there was a Mercury Marauder here last week. Late model for, 2001, 2002. And there's always, lots of Mercuries. There's a 51 Merc, 49 Merc. This will archive, and you'll be able to run it back. We're getting towards the end of the feeds right now. Boise, Idaho. Hey, Jamie, how you doing? Fall River, how you doing? Wayne Mendoza. Okay, there goes that blockhead with straight pipes. Okay. Chill Rob Wolven, West Michigan. All right. Okay, let's see. Let's walk over towards this 57 Chevy Bel Air. Guarantee Chevrolet, Santa Ana, California. They're still there. Great source for Chevrolet engines, crate engines, Chevrolet Performance. Maurice. All right, yeah, the first gen Broncos. Here goes that 55 coupe. Dane, Philippines. All right. Mark Lee, you got to go. All right. Hey, Mark, thanks for joining us. The color on this dashboard's Harbor Blue. We used to call this color Sky Blue. Skyline Blue might have been Chevy's name for it. Baby Blue, Sky Blue. 57 Ford pickup. Short bed, style side. Okay. Try 4th, Fairfield. First, just barely see it. The screen's bright.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Found the neat things with polish things.
All right. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. We'll be live again for sure tomorrow, Balboa Peninsula, the Balboa Car Show, and then Tuesday I'm driving back out to Phoenix, Arizona, where we're doing the finishing touches on Street Rodder's Road Tour truck, United Pacific 32 Ford pickup. There's coverage on that truck at streetrodder.com. And of course, in the pages of Street Rodder magazine, no batteries required. Claver, thank you. All right, Fred, we'll talk to you tomorrow, Fred. Look forward to meeting you in Carlisle, buddy. Victor, this is at the corner of Magnolia and Adams in Huntington Beach, California, every Saturday, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Tammy Joe, you too. Thanks for joining us. Again, we'll be live tomorrow, 8 a.m. California time. Hey, Ronnie, we'll talk to you later, man. Yeah, you can see it's cleared out. Okay, Ford to Ford. Unless this poor guy put his Chevy in backwards. All right, Ron, talk to you later. Ken, talk to you later, man. All right. What time is there now, Brett? I don't know. I don't wear a watch. I got a camera. Oklahoma. Dan, all right. Okay, that's it. We're done. StreetRodder.com, SuperChevy.com, HotRod.com. Those are the websites for the magazines. We still have magazines with real paper. Gleaned from artificial trees. We have a little forest of trees right up in near Peggy's Cove. We're up in Nova Scotia near Peggy's Cove, and that's where we grow our trees for all the paper used in the magazines. No, that's not true. I made that all up. Rapid Russ, talk to you later. Wayne, talk to you later. 7:50 a.m. Thanks, Tom. There goes our last Mopar. Goes a little dark. All right. Okay, Karen, talk to you later. All right, we're gone.